getting a nice place sometimes, and especially where there are less people, just to have you in your mind alone, just you in your own world, just to relax from the so tight work schedule you might be having, just to meditate a little bit and just have time to see and to be in the quiet environment and eventually clear your mind is a very awesome and important thing we should be doing. So many times I myself, when I feel so bored, having walks to places like this, honestly, it helps me relax and absorb my thoughts and eventually be okay. It's a nice thing to go relax in a cool place which is so natural like this. I mean, giving yourself time to relax in a cool, natural place like this is something I should say you should try. And if you're doing it, then you know the importance of it, then you should keep on doing it. And if you've never done it, then you should be trying this. Actually, it helps you clear your mind. You have to get, you get this nice time to see the nature, just a nice experience. I mean, it's something which is very cool, something which I love to do each and every time I feel bored and when I just want to get time for myself, just go far. Through the words I can say is something which is very, very fine.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.